stage name is MXHOSA Ligama. MXHOSA Ligama is the artist, a rapper slash everything art. I was actually born in Eastern Cape, but back in 2016 when I go back to Eastern Cape, actually people couldn't understand how I talk, actually the way we speak, the lingo we speak in Cape Town, and they actually told me like I'm not original Xhosa, so I actually wanted to like represent when it comes to like what my religion is, my originality, and actually I chose to name myself as MXHOSA Ligama.
All about art ezinye izinto asizikhumbuli.
What would I be if I was in a? Actually, I'm an artist. Like I do each and every type of art, and actually, I'm a graphic designer. Um, I'm a fashion designer. I make music. I make jewelry. I do everything art. I'm involved in every space of art. Actually, yeah, I've never been like one type of thing guy.
The game power we play no dominoes. Got this fabulous got Puma from Tandos.
Nigibeka ngizawukhalumlazi actually means like give me a chance, I will show those Mlazi niggas, actually the Durban niggas, abo Blake, abo Cool Cat, actually the people I actually look up to.
Cassius Phillips. Tag with fashion, the fit and in fact I won't quit.
My top five my top five local artists actually is I wouldn't put them accurate or something like unless it's back on the line or but sneakers like Abo Kid Miller, X the Legend, Dam T, Ketla Lama Weekend, Navigator. Yeah, those are the only niggas that I can feature right now.
All about art ezinye izinto asizikhumbuli.
There is a project that I'm working on right now, which is my second single. The name of it is Sugantlali, which basically means like give me my spot.